I don't care if it rains or freezes, as long as I've got my plastic Jesus sitting on the dashboard of my car. It comes in colors, pink and pleasant. It glows in the dark 'cause it's iridescent. I'll take it with me whenever I go far. So give me my Lady Madonna, dressed in rhinestones and sitting on a pedestal of abalone shells. I'm driving 90, but I'm not scary, because I've got my Virgin Mary assuring me that I can never go to hell. And by the way, you know that hope will make you strange, make you blink, make you blank, make you sink. It will make you afraid of change and often blame the box with the view of the world. And the ones that fill the frame will turn it up, but then I turn it off because I can't stand when they start to talk about the hurting and killing. Whose shoes are we filling? The damage and ruin, man, the things that we're doing. God, we gotta stop, we gotta turn it all off. We gotta rewind, start it up again, because we fell across the fall line. Ain't there nothing sacred anymore? Na 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 na. Somebody saw him jump, yeah, but nobody saw him slip. I guess he lost a lot of hope, and then he lost a grip, but now he's lying in the freeway in the middle of this mess. Guess we lost another one, just like the other one. An optimistic hypocrite that didn't have the nerve to quit the things that kept him wanting more, until he finally reached the fell across the fall line. Ain't there nothing sacred anymore? Na 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 na.